As we look ahead to 2025, DJI continues to lead the drone market with an impressive lineup that caters to both amateur and professional users alike. The best DJI drones of 2025 offer cutting-edge technology, enhanced flight capabilities, and a variety of features that elevate aerial photography and videography to new heights. We have listed the top 5 best DJI drones 2025, and their key features. You need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. DJI FPV, First-Person View. Drone is a groundbreaking addition to the world of aerial photography and videography, elevating the experience of flying a drone to unprecedented levels. Unlike traditional drones, the DJI FPV offers a unique immersive flying experience that allows users to see the world from the drone's perspective, thanks to its high-definition video feed that streams directly to the pilot's goggles. Equipped with a powerful 4K camera, capable of shooting at 60 frames per second, the DJI FPV captures stunningly smooth and vibrant footage that is perfect for both professional filmmakers and hobbyists alike. The drone boasts an impressive maximum speed of up to 87 cm, 140 km/h, making it one of the fastest consumer drones on the market. This speed, combined with a responsive flight system, allows pilots to perform exhilarating maneuvers and capture dynamic shots that were previously difficult to achieve. In terms of battery life, the DJI FPV offers around 20 minutes of flying time on a single charge, which is competitive for a drone in its class. Additionally, its advanced safety features, such as obstacle detection and emergency brake capabilities, provide peace of mind for pilots, especially those who are new to FPV flying. The drone's design is sleek and futuristic, featuring a robust build that can withstand the rigors of high-speed flying. Number 4. DJI Neo represents a significant leap forward in the realm of drone technology, showcasing DJI's commitment to innovation and user-centric design. This advanced drone is equipped with cutting-edge features that cater to both amateur enthusiasts and professional filmmakers alike. One of the standout characteristics of the DJI Neo is its enhanced camera capabilities, offering 4K video recording and high-resolution still photography. With improved sensor technology, users can capture stunning aerial shots with remarkable clarity and detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. The drone's gimbal stabilization system ensures smooth footage, eliminating shaky recordings and allowing for cinematic quality results. Beyond its impressive imaging capabilities, the DJI Neo boasts extended flight times thanks to its optimized battery life and efficient power management system. This means that users can spend more time in the air capturing their desired shots without the constant worry of battery depletion. User experience has also been a top priority in the design of the DJI Neo. The intuitive control system, combined with advanced obstacle avoidance technology, makes it easier than ever to pilot the drone safely, even for those new to flying. The accompanying mobile app provides a seamless interface for monitoring flight data, adjusting settings, and accessing various shooting modes, enhancing the overall user experience. Additionally, the DJI Neo's compact and foldable design makes it highly portable, allowing users to take it on their adventures without the burden of bulky equipment. Number 3. DJI Air3 is a remarkable entry in the drone market, showcasing the perfect blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design. Building on the legacy of its predecessors, the Air3 brings impressive enhancements that cater to both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the Air3 is its dual camera system, which includes a high-resolution main camera capable of capturing stunning 48 MP still images and 4K video at an impressive 60 frames per second. This allows for breathtaking aerial shots that are rich in detail and color, making it an excellent choice for photographers and videographers seeking to elevate their work. Moreover, the Air3 boasts an extended flight time, offering up to 46 minutes on a single charge. This significant improvement means that users can spend more time in the air capturing their desired shots without the constant worry of battery life. Coupled with the drone's robust transmission system, which ensures a stable connection even at greater distances, users can confidently explore new and exciting filming locations. The drone's intelligent flight modes, such as focus track, master shots, and quick shots, provide a user-friendly experience for capturing complex shots with ease. These automated features allow even novice pilots to produce professional-looking videos without extensive training or experience. Another notable aspect of the DJI Air3 is its enhanced obstacle avoidance system. With sensors on all sides, the drone can detect and navigate around obstacles in real time, giving pilots peace of mind while flying in challenging environments. Number 2. DJI Mini4 Pro continues to elevate the standards for compact drones, showcasing an impressive blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design. Weighing in at just under 250 grams, this ultralight drone makes it incredibly portable, allowing enthusiasts and professionals alike to take it anywhere without the hassle of heavy gear. One of the standout features of the Mini4 Pro is its enhanced camera capabilities. Equipped with a larger sensor and improved optics, it captures stunning 48-megapixel stills and 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring that every shot is crystal clear and vibrant. The drone also boasts advanced HDR capabilities, allowing for better dynamic range in challenging lighting conditions, such as bright skies or shadowy landscapes. The Mini4 Pro is not just about hardware. It also integrates DJI's latest intelligent flight modes, which make capturing cinematic footage a breeze. Features like Active Track, which allows the drone to follow subjects seamlessly, and Quick Shots, which provide a range of automated shooting styles, enhance the creative possibilities for users at all skill levels. Battery life is another notable improvement, with the Mini4 Pro offering extended flight times that reach up to 34 minutes on a single charge. This means more time in the air, capturing your adventures without the constant worry of battery management. Safety features have also been ramped up, with upgraded obstacle detection sensors providing 360-degree awareness, making it safer to fly in complex environments. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 is a remarkable drone that sets a new standard for aerial photography and videography. Combining advanced technology with user-friendly features, it offers an exceptional flying experience for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Mavic 3 introduces a dual camera system, featuring a large 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor, which allows for stunning 20-megapixel still images and 5.1K video recording at 50 frames per second. This innovation ensures that every shot is rich in detail and color, making it perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes or dynamic action scenes. One of the standout features of the Mavic 3 is its impressive flight time, boasting up to 46 minutes of battery life under optimal conditions. This extended duration means you can spend more time in the air and less time worrying about recharging, allowing you to focus on getting the perfect shot. Additionally, the drone is equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance capabilities, thanks to its omnidirectional sensors. This feature provides an added layer of safety, ensuring that the drone can navigate complex environments with ease. The Mavic 3 also benefits from enhanced transmission technology, allowing for a maximum range of up to 15 kilometers, which is a significant improvement over its predecessors. This means you can fly further and still maintain a strong connection, opening up new possibilities for exploration and creativity.